Hey, what's up guys, this is Avery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple application using C++. So we're going to get started. We're just going to make a file, and I'll call it hello_world.c++. Now we're going to go in there. So in C++, one of the things you want to include at the very beginning is going to be include Iostream. And what an include function does, it's basically just it includes a library, so it can get extra functions from that library. And the Iostream is basically just a way to make it so you can print out lines like to the screen. And then you're going to want to do something called using Namespace Std. So what that does, it makes it so instead of having to type in std when you want to use a command that's from the std section, or the namespace, you can just type in the actual thing, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So now we're going to want to continue, and now we want to create our main function. And how C++ works is every single time it runs a program, it looks for this function. So it needs this function right here to actually be able to know where to start from, and so this is a starting point. So now in this function, because it's an integer, that means this function needs to return an integer. All main functions are like this. So you can just do return 0. So it's as simple as that. You don't really need to return much. And now we just need to make it so it's can print out something. For example, we're just going to print out hello world. So to print out something, use cout. And if we weren't using namespace std, what you would have to do would be std : cout. So it makes it so you can type it a lot faster. So you can just leave it like that. Now in quotes, you can leave the message hello world. So now that's just going to print out hello world. But you also now want to make it so it ends the line. So there's two ways to do this. You can do inline, and this is the same thing. It would be std, but because we don't need that, it's like that. Or you can do the -n, and that would end the line. But we're just going to use the end line. So it's very simple. This is just the program for right now, so we can go ahead and save that. And now we need to compile it. So we'll use G++ and then hello world. And then we'll make it out to hello world.out. And it'll take a moment, and then as soon as it's compiled, we can run it. So we'll run it with hello world.out, and boom, there we go, hello world. So that was just a really short video just to show you guys how to create a simple application and say hello world in C++. That's going to be all for now. Have a great day, and see you guys next time.